Welcome to our YouTube video on the best universities in the United States. The USA is home to some of the most renowned universities in the world, offering a wide range of academic programs and research opportunities. Choosing the right university can be a daunting task, but in this video, we'll be taking a closer look at some of the top institutions across the country. We'll explore their campus life and other key factors that make them stand out. Whether you're a prospective student or simply interested in learning more about higher education in the USA, this video is sure to provide valuable insights. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the best universities in the United States. The University of Chicago is a world-renowned research university located in Chicago, Illinois, USA. Founded in 1890, it is known for its rigorous academic programs, particularly in economics, political science, and sociology. The university is home to over 16,000 students and offers undergraduate, graduate, and professional degree programs across a wide range of fields. Yale University is a prestigious research university located in New Haven, Connecticut, USA. Founded in 1701, it is one of the oldest and most respected universities in the United States. Yale is known for its excellent academic programs, particularly in the humanities, social sciences, and law. The university is home to over 13,000 students and offers undergraduate, graduate, and professional degree programs across a wide range of fields. Stanford University is a world-renowned research university located in Stanford, California, USA. Founded in 1885, it is one of the most prestigious universities in the world and is consistently ranked among the top universities in the United States. Stanford is known for its strong academic programs, particularly in computer science, engineering, and the natural sciences. The university is home to over 17,000 students and offers undergraduate, graduate, and is located in the heart of Silicon Valley. Harvard University is one of the most prestigious universities in the world, located in Cambridge, Massachusetts, just outside of Boston. Founded in 1636, it is the oldest institution of higher learning in the United States and has a long history of academic excellence and innovation. Harvard is home to more than 20,000 students and offers undergraduate, graduate, and professional degree programs across a wide range of fields, including law, business, medicine, and the arts and sciences. The Massachusetts Institute of Technology, MIT, is a world-renowned research university located in Cambridge, Massachusetts, USA. Founded in 1861, it has a long history of excellence in science, engineering, and technology, and is consistently ranked among the top universities in the world. MIT is home to over 11,000 students and offers undergraduate, graduate, and professional degree programs in a wide range of fields. Princeton University is a world-renowned research university located in Princeton, New Jersey, USA. Founded in 1746, it is one of the oldest and most prestigious universities in the United States. Princeton is known for its rigorous academic programs, particularly in the natural sciences, engineering, and economics. The university is home to over 8,000 students and offers undergraduate, graduate, and professional degree programs across a wide range of fields. Princeton is also known for its vibrant campus culture,